Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to play the hidden game present inside the Google app of Android. So without further more delay, let's begin. So if you have not installed the Google applications, then firstly just go to the Play Store and just search for the Google, and you can see on the first list Google. Just click on it. Yes, I have already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So if you have not install Google applications in your Android smartphone, then firstly you install it, and after that, before proceeding, just turn off your internet connections and just open the Google app. Now you can see the Google app applications, right? So I've just turned off the internet. Now let us try to find something, say Apple. You can choose anything, and I will just click on choose. Now below mobile data is written, and just near to it you can see some floating icons or moving icons, right? Just tap on it. Now voila, now you can see a game. Now you can just play this game also. So most of the viewers does not know that this game is available inside the Google app applications, but if you use the internet connections at the time of searching the applications, these games will not be show up. So to find this game, that is the hidden game, you need to turn off your internet connections while using your Google app, and you can just open this lovely and time passing game that you can play on your Android smartphone. So using these cool tricks, you can easily play the hidden game present inside the Google app of Android. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.